Imagine you are standing on a busy street corner in London. The sky is turning gray, and it is starting to pour with rain. You have got a reservation at that small cafe you have heard so much about, but your phone battery just died, leaving you feeling disconnected. Everybody around you is rushing, darting to and fro, umbrellas popping open like mushrooms after rain. You need to ask someone for help, but it feels like there is a tight knot in your throat. You know the words you want to say are bouncing around in your head, but you are scared they won't come out right. In that moment, you feel invisible, stuck in a bustling world that seems to be moving on without you. But here is the good news: take a deep breath. We are here now, together. You are safe, and together, we are going to practice English in a way that feels comfortable and natural. At this level, let us focus on short, clear phrases. These are the building blocks of communication, like laying a solid foundation for a house. Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station? You will need this often if you want to navigate the city. Go straight. Go straight. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Stop here. Stop here. Close your eyes for a moment. Feel your shoulders drop away from your ears. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be heard. Look around you, these phrases will help you feel less invisible. You are doing great, and every little effort counts. Now, let us add a little more information. These details can help clarify directions and guide you better. Think of them as beacons in a foggy night. It is next to the bank. It is next to the bank. Go past the supermarket. Go past the supermarket. It is across from the park. It is across from the park. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. It's on the corner. It's on the corner. You'll see it right in front of you. You'll see it right in front of you. It's behind the restaurant. It's behind the restaurant. If you forget a word, just use your hands to point. Gestures are a beautiful part of language. Inhale slowly, and exhale. Remember, you're building confidence with every phrase you practice. Being polite transforms a simple question into a gracious request. This not only makes you feel more confident when approaching strangers but also invites a friendly interaction. Excuse me, I am looking for the museum. Excuse me, I am looking for the museum. Could you tell me how to get to the train station? Could you tell me how to get to the train station? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? How many blocks is it? How many blocks is it? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. Your voice has a lovely rhythm. Do not rush. The world can spare 10 seconds for you to finish your sentence. You belong in this conversation. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll feel. Let us elevate your confidence even further. These phrases will empower you to clarify directions, so you are not left in the dark later. So, I need to go 2 blocks and then turn left? So, I need to go 2 blocks and then turn left? Can I walk there, or should I take a taxi? Can I walk there, or should I take a taxi? I am sorry, could you repeat that slowly? I am sorry, could you repeat that slowly? It should be on my right-hand side, correct? It should be on my right-hand side, correct? I think I have got it now. Have a nice day. I think I have got it now. Have a nice day. Thanks for clearing that up. Thanks for clearing that up. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. Remember to take your time and do not hesitate to ask for clarification. Engaging in these conversations helps build your language skills and confidence. Picture yourself in that busy street corner. Each phrase practiced is a step toward your destination. Now that you have laid a solid foundation, it is time to engage more fully in conversations. This level focuses on making connections rather than just asking for directions. These phrases will make your conversation feel dynamic. What do you recommend around here? What do you recommend around here? Have you been to that cafe down the street? Have you been to that cafe down the street? I'm new to the area. What's your favorite spot? I'm new to the area. What's your favorite spot? I love the culture here. I love the culture here. Do you have any local tips for a newcomer? You have any local tips for a newcomer? Engage with others. Each conversation is not just practice but a chance to learn more about the world around you. Do not shy away from sharing your thoughts. Every exchange adds to your confidence and understanding of English. Before we wrap up, let us address the emotional aspect of speaking a new language. It is natural to feel anxious, especially in an unfamiliar environment. Here are some tips to build emotional resilience. Stay present, focus on the moment. What can you see, feel, hear? Grounding yourself can help diminish anxiety. Visualize success. Picture yourself successfully having a conversation. Visualize the outcome you desire and let that image empower you. Celebrate small wins. Each time you practice a phrase or engage with someone, celebrate that moment. Recognizing your progress helps build confidence. Reflect on past experiences. Remember times when you successfully communicated, even if it didn't go perfectly. Use those memories to remind yourself that you can do it again. Use positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable, or I can connect with others. Positivity can shift your mindset and boost your confidence. Now that we've covered this journey together, I would love to see you take action. Practice, choose a few phrases today and try them out. You can do this in the mirror or even in casual conversation with a friend. Join a community. If you have not already, find places where you can practice speaking with others. It could be a local group, an online community, or a language exchange. Share your experiences. Write in the comments below or in a journal about your experiences, what phrases you tried and how it felt. Reflecting on your journey can offer insights and encouragement. Invite feedback. If you are nervous about your speaking abilities, don't be afraid to ask for feedback. People are often more than willing to help. Keep learning, subscribe to resources that offer language tips, and don't hesitate to ask questions when you're unsure. You've taken the first steps on a remarkable journey. Remember, learning a language is like building a bridge. Each phrase is a plank that gets you closer to connecting with others. You belong here, and your voice matters. Take that deep breath, get out there, and let your words fly.